Azione leader Carlo Calenda presented his book Difendere la libertà, l'ora dell'Europa at Trieste's Teatro Verdi in a public dialogue with Friuli Venezia Giulia Governor Massimiliano Fedriga.
Well, first of all, how to build up United States of Europe, which is definitely the most important thing in order to preserve freedom and democracy today, given the fact that Europe is I wouldn't say the only place, but certainly the most important place where state of right, where civil liberties and freedoms are respected. So we need to build up something that is not only the place of freedom, but is also the place that is able to preserve freedom, which means to be a great power. And it's something we are not yet there. We need to work on it.
No, ma penso che ragioneremo su temi concreti, penso principalmente sulla politica internazionale, sul contesto geopolitico che è sicuramente molto complicato e su cui il Venezia Giulia ha un ruolo importante, anche vista la sua collocazione geografica.